I want to talk about something we don't think about enough in espresso. Most of coffee's flavor is not actually inside the liquid. It's sitting above the cup, those aroma volatile compounds that give us the fruits and florals and enhance our perception of sweetness and texture in coffee. But these volatile compounds are fragile, with heat and oxygen stripping them away the second the coffee's ground. From my work in research and competition coffee, I've seen firsthand how quickly volatile aroma compounds can disappear from coffee. Some of the most delicate aroma volatile compounds can drop as much as 40% within just a minute of grinding. Studying this up close is why the Rev series approach makes so much sense to me. It tackles that problem at the source. In most coffee grinders, the coffee doesn't move straight from burrs to the basket. We have this chute section in between where we get anywhere from 9 to 13 grams of coffee just sitting there waiting. While that coffee sits there in the chute, exposed to heat and oxygen, even if your recipe's perfect, it's lost a huge amount of that spark that makes that coffee special, even before the water has even touched the puck. Now, this isn't just a flavor issue, it's also a physics issue. When we grind the coffee, we're releasing CO2, which actually provides some resistance to the flow of the espresso. Now, if more than half of your dose is sitting in the chute degassing, we're releasing more or less CO2 from shot to shot. This is why we're getting fluctuations of shot times that get so frustrating. So in this case, you're not just fighting recipe, you're fighting some of that old coffee that's hidden inside the machine. Now, the Rev Zero is designed to attack that problem straight at the source. By reversing the motor with the sweep-out system, it's clearing that ground coffee after every single dose. In real-world terms, that means almost no ground coffee sitting there in the chute. Grind changes show up immediately, no more purging expensive beans, and every shot has consistent CO2 to give us much more stable shot times. And you can see here in the rush hour data that the retention is gone, the consistency follows. The next aspect is the sensory impact. If you think about an essential oil diffuser, as soon as that heat's applied, you'll smell those aroma volatiles being released into the air. The same is with ground coffee sitting inside a warm grinder chamber. Once those aromas are released, they're never coming back. And you don't need a lab to taste the difference. The coffees from the Rev Zero will taste softer, more delicate. The quality of texture is better as well. This is our brain connecting to volatile compounds, filling in the gaps, which affects the way we experience every aspect of espresso. For fruity milk coffees, this also makes a huge difference because retronasal aromas will do all that heavy lifting for allowing flavor to be perceived through milk. So bringing it together, for me, this is the most exciting part of grinder design. It's not just about speed or precision, it's about flavor protection. By improving that journey from the burrs to the basket, the Rev Zero gives those volatiles every chance to reach the final guest. Whether you're in a busy bar or a competition stage, the Rev Zero with the sweep-out system makes those special coffees taste even better than before.